All right, y'all, we're at the farmer's market. We gotta get a buggy.
I'm getting hungry. Them boiled peanuts smelling pretty good.
Yeah, they do smell good.
Do we want a little buggy or a big buggy?
I say little. This stuff smells great, y'all. What kind of candles do they got here?
Well, I know they got these ones. They're getting them ready.
Oh, yeah.
This harvest. See, I told you.
Harvest gathering. What's it smell like?
Smells just like fall.
Oh, yeah.
You want to get that one? Folks, we ain't going to pass it up. We're going to get this one.
They have summer scoop. Ice cream, vanilla.
It smells good.
Yeah. Kind of vanilla-ish.
It smells like harvest can.
No, it don't smell like that. What is this? Country clothesline. Honeysuckle jasmine.
Hey, this is
Wood smoke and pumpkin. I bet that's good. Is it good?
That's a good one.
Oh yeah, it smells like a bonfire. Get it, Daddy, get it.
Okay.
We definitely need some more of this Sweet Grace multi-surface cleaner. This stuff smells amazing, y'all.
What have we got here?
Yellow root tea.
Wild Bill's?
Wild
Yellow
Bill.
root tea?
Yellow root
Let's
tea.
see what this is right
How
here.
about Wild Bill? Might be something wild in there.
For its many benefits. Is the benefit to make one dizzy or off balance? Shake thoroughly, mix a few ounces with your favorite juice or simply drink on
here's
its own.
Filtered water, yellow root, and citric acid. I don't know.
I know my papa, Moss, not my papa Allen, but my papa Moss.
He probably knows about Wild Bill.
Well, he probably, it was a different kind of wild Bill. He would not have added a few ounces.
No, and it wouldn't have been water or juice.
He would have never watered it down. He would have just took the top off that thing and chugged it.
They also have dish soap in the Sweet Grace, hand soap, hand cream. And they have this flower diffuser. Those are nice little towels.
That's a doggone chicken. Boy, I tell you what, you start thinking about fall, you start seeing leaves.
Here's a
everywhere.
fall one right here. What are these? Is it like a towel or what is it?
I guess it's something you just kind of...
Unpaper towels. Okay, it's like a reusable
You
paper
reuse
towel, I
them.
guess. They have candy corn down here too. And there's a fall one with some trucks and stuff. Christmas ones too. Get ready. Man, those boiled peanuts are making their scent. Smoke is coming over here.
Yeah. And we do probably need some blackberry preserves, don't we?
Yes, we do need to see if they have some with the
See,
seeds
this is
in
what
them.
Papa would have thought that other stuff was a while ago.
Oh, yeah.
He'd have thought that was...
Movers.
that, you know, even on a dizzy night, if he didn't have his glasses on, he might have would have read that and drunk every bit of that.
Yeah.
My papa was a really good guy.
Swallowed the pickles whole.
He was a very good guy and a very smart man. He would take a little bit of rheumatism medicine if he needed to. How do we know if it's got the seeds in it, baby?
You can. This one has seeds. You can see them. See.
Okay, yeah, there you go.
The cakes will always call out to you. They got chocolate heaven, banana bread, red velvet cake, strawberry cake. Manly's request was apple cider donuts. Jonah and Sissy want the blue licorice.
What about some of this hot green tomato relish?
We've gotten it before. And it's good.
What about the super hot chow chow?
Yeah, let's try the super hot chow chow. What about these hot green tomato pickles?
Let's try those right there.
And I saw right here's watermelon rind pickles. That you said watermelon
Ernest P.
rind.
Bass eat the whole rind on this. Yeah.
I need to make some more jelly. We're on our last jar of apple jelly that I made. Do they have the muscadine, blackberry, blueberry? Oh, there's Scumpernong again. Where's muscadine? Oh, here we go. Muscadine preserves right here. The kids want that blue licorice. It's probably right over here. No, that's country ham.
Let's look at this honey situation.
Oh, yes. You are getting low on honey. Look at this Crybaby Craig's hot honey. Oh, look at these cute little seasoning things with that little spoon. That's adorable. This is a fry seasoning. Isn't that cute? Spring blend, rice seasoning, burger blend.
Oh, is that what they were wanting?
Yeah. Oh, they got watermelon, strawberry, green apple, red, black. They like the blue. Blue raspberry, yeah. And Manly wants apple cider donuts.
Oh, yeah. He loves them apple cider.
He's been talking about them for weeks.
When we left, he told us to remember to get some apple cider donuts.
Yeah, just go ahead and get a big pack of them.
All right.
They got peaches. Jane Moore's a lot like Ingalls now.
You definitely need a smaller buggy than this one.
Yeah.
Things can rack up fast.
Yeah, they can add up quick. Gotta use that calculator in your head as you're putting stuff in.
Mine wasn't working right.
You'll get a big surprise when you get up to the register.
We're gonna have to definitely go home now. I told her I had a watermelon down there, and she said, you can just leave it down there. And I said, okay, so I didn't pick it up. And then she rung one more thing up, and I looked over at the little box there, and I said, $27? I was like,
Yeah, I thought
how much
it
was that watermelon? We do not come here but a few times a year.
Usually we come to bring the kids to pick stuff like strawberries or peaches or a pumpkin, you know?
You can get some interesting stuff
Yeah.
that you can't find in other places, you know. So
But like
definitely,
you said, you need a little jar that says farmer's market on it that you just drop change in, you know, every week and save.
But honestly, it's a good place to bring your family and all. They do have a lot of fun events and stuff like that throughout the year.
Oh yeah, like
like they're already getting set
corn
up.
maze and all that.
We joke a lot. They do have a lot of help here they have to pay.
Yeah.
It's a fun place to come.
And he is a buggy deserter.
I do this. See, they pay people. Yeah. We got you some apple cider donuts, boy.
Welcome to the next day, y'all. We're about to make these double apple muffins, but I wanted to show y'all the other stuff we got from the farmer's market. We did get a watermelon, and of course we got the apple cider donuts and everything that we gave to the kids yesterday. The caramel corn, apple cider donuts, and the blue raspberry twists. We also got some apples that we're gonna need for the apple muffins, and we got some peaches and the watermelon. I can't remember if I already said that. It's in the other refrigerator. We sliced into it last night. So the other stuff we got was this ballpark style popcorn salt, and I got a pack of this Amish country microwave popcorn. And then of course I got some more of the Sweet Grace multi-surface cleaner. This stuff, I don't even know how to explain it. It just smells amazing. Anyway, we got some super hot chow chow, blackberry jam, muscadine preserves, and we got some of these Amish made medium fine noodles. We're gonna make some chicken Alfredo with this tonight. And this aged white cheddar Alfredo sauce. We got 2 jars of that. This apple butter actually came from Ingalls, so I'll put it over here, but we're using it for the apple muffins. And we got these hot green tomato pickles. Titus tried these last night and he said they were really good.
They're really good.
And we got these paperless paper towels. These were called sweater weather. It's got just pumpkins and leaves and stuff on them. And I think that was it from the farmer's market. We're making y'all some old-fashioned country
old-fashioned
apple muffins.
Yep. And we think, let's just put it where it's at. In our head, these muffins are looking really good. But it could turn out like that stinking omelet I did the other day and be some kind of growing, we don't know what it's gonna be. But we hope that it turns out like...
Yeah, in our head, it's looking country and homey and pre-folly.
Pre-folly.
Pre-folly. We're preheating to 350. First thing we're gonna do is peel 2 apples, and we're gonna chop them into little pieces. Every time I peel an apple, just about every time, I think about that Andy Griffith Show episode. You know, when that man's wanting to get out of town, but Wally's not working on cars on Sundays, and Andy's just sitting there peeling an apple and gets excited because he peeled it without the peel breaking all the way around. And at the end, he finally is like, you know what? I like this slow living better. I think I'll stay and sit a while.
Well, that's the truth right there. This morning I'm keeping it simple. I'm not overcomplicating this deal. Handful of spinach.
Oh yes, it's the
right in there like that. Turn it over a few times. He ordered these with extra spinach.
It's the deconstructed omelet. I like deconstructed omelets.
And I'm just gonna throw a little cheese right here on top right here. Just like this. Right across the top.
Red pepper flakes.
Red pepper flakes. And you ready to eat.
before we make the muffin mixture, we're gonna go ahead and get the muffin tin ready. We're gonna use this unbleached parchment paper to make the liners for the muffins. We're gonna cut it into 6 by 6 squares. Doesn't have to be perfect.
Well, you really don't want it to be.
Right, you don't want it to be perfect. You want it to be more country, rustic.
That's the deal with us country people.
Right.
We ain't perfect.
We don't do perfect. We're gonna use this muscadine preserves jar because it fits just about perfect down in the muffin tin. So we're gonna use this to shape the cupcake liners. We're gonna fold it over this way. Now ours aren't perfect, so we're making a center right here in the middle. We fold it over that way. Now we're gonna unfold it and then fold it this way. And now we have our center right there. So now we take our jar, put this in the center, and where we have the creases, we're gonna come down and fold them over. Like that. Okay, so we got all those folded over. We're gonna go with that direction that we folded and just kind of squeeze down like that. And anywhere else that it wants to crease, because it's gonna want to in certain spots, you just go ahead and crease it. And then just rub your top so you get that good circle on the bottom. There you go. Since ours is gonna be a little bit bigger, we'll just kind of push it down in there to make it.
Once you load it, you know.
Yeah, it'll hold down. Yeah. Now we do that a bunch more times. Since we're doubling this, we need 2½ cups of this mix. 2 cups. So the whole bag makes about apple fog. Makes about 2 of the 6. It makes a dozen. It'll make about a dozen. We need 2/3 of a cup of milk. It's called the back pour. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now we're gonna add in 1/2 cup of this apple butter, and this is, it says cider apple butter. You can also use applesauce if you don't have apple butter. I'm gonna whisk all this together, and then we'll fold in our chopped apples, and we're ready to put it in the muffin liners.
How are we gonna do the nuts?
Oh yeah, I forgot. So we're gonna do 1/2 of them with some pecans, 1/2 with, 1/2 without. We're just gonna see how many this will make, y'all, because we want the big muffins. So we may only get 6 of these. We got 10 liners in there, but we might only get 6. Yeah, so I'm just making sure these liners come up above where the muffin part top is. I'm just making sure that we get to the top on that.
That way it really
we'll rise up over it. Yeah.
rises up. I like how you're kind of going about the pan.
Yeah.
You're doing a tic-tac-toe.
I don't go in order, that's right.
That way the ones that have pecans is going to be mixed in good. We probably got enough to do them all, it looks like, don't it, baby?
Oh yeah, it's enough. I was worried that wasn't enough batter, but it's enough. I don't know why I've never liked, I mean, it's not that I hate pecans and stuff. I like, especially candied pecans. I love candied pecans.
But like me, for cakes.
Oh, he loves in the cake and in the
cake
frosting.
and in the frosting. I love it. Red velvet.
Yeah.
Orange. I like the orange cake to have pecans on the frosting.
Okay, let's add some in here for you. That good?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Smelling like fall in here, y'all. You know, we talked about this last year. It always, and I think it's because we always started school back when we were kids, like in September. It was September when we went back to school, and it was, you know, already feeling like fall.
Especially early in the morning when you was waiting on the bus or something.
It did. You had a little light jacket on.
Right.
And it's just like it was drilled into our minds.
Now they start school in the summer.
It's still summertime, yeah, but it's still in our...
In our mind, we can't accept that.
Right. In the back of our mind, when school starts back, it's fall. Make apple muffins and pumpkin things.
That's it.
Going in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes.
that joker right there. It's really homey. I mean, when I say it's good, it's good.
It definitely feels like Grandma made those muffins.
That's great.
Let's pretend like Grandma came in here and made those muffins this morning.
Thank you, Granny.